What is happening, YouTube? Spectre here, and you join me on the way to, at least, the DGR run for 2022, Distinguished Gentleman's Ride. I'm on the way currently out to Triumph, Plymouth, running a little bit late because it's me, and I think we're expecting about 60 bikes this year. It's actually going to be my first group ride, because it's only my second DGR, and last year it was a solo event because of COVID. I kind of wish it still was, because the route that the Plymouth organiser has chosen is crap. It's better than it was. I spoke to DGR spoke to them. They have improved it from what it was originally. It is still crap though, but it is what it is. But yeah, the sun's shining, beautiful day, and hopefully we'll have a good time. And side note, this suit does not fit me in the slightest. So for those of you who haven't heard of the DGR, haven't seen my previous videos on the matter, the DGR is a charity event. It's organised and run in association with the Movember Foundation, and it's a charity ride worldwide raising money for men's health. So that's physical health and things like testicular cancer, prostate cancer. It's also general health, so stuff like improving men's attitudes towards going to doctors and, you know, things like that. Preventable illnesses that get out of hand because, you know, men are like suck it up and deal with it until it kills us. And speaking of sucking it up and deal with it until it kills us, it also helps with male mental health and male suicide. A reminder that about 75% of all suicides worldwide are men. Suicide is one of the leading causes of death, the top 3 causes of death for all men in the UK. It comes right up there with car crashes and cancer. But only a quarter of the people in counselling are men. So men are dying everywhere, and they're not seeking help for whatever reason. So this is all part of raising awareness for that, raising money for charities, for, you know, advertising, for helping to end the stigma around that sort of thing, and hopefully saving some lives. Alright, and here we are. Pretty decent turnout. Nice little super dream there. Very nice. Proper classic. And then all the Harley up down here. Well, we're off. Here we go on DGR 2022 from Plymouth. This guy in front of me has a very nice sounding bike. This guy actually was chatting to him at the stop there. Yeah, we're off. So we're going to go from here out to a cafe called the Engine House, about 30 miles away.
Okay, and that was DGR 2022 at Plymouth, UK. Now you have to excuse me swapping to a voiceover at this point. It's not my usual style of recording. I find it's not as dynamic as recording live, but unfortunately my camera battery died almost immediately after leaving DGR. So you're going to have to put up with a bit of B-roll footage now and a voiceover. So yeah, overall it was a really good day. We had a really good turnout. I think according to the DGR page there are about 60 bikes registered, and then there's however many Harley boys turned up as well. Probably 100 bikes total, maybe. And the weather was glorious. It's absolutely spectacular for the whole day. Beautiful sun, fairly warm. Yeah, you can't complain to that really. So yeah, it was a real shame about the route. Obviously at the start I mentioned that the guy had changed the route. He actually hadn't, he just pretended he changed the route. The final route ended up being about 60 miles like it was originally claimed to be before DGR told him to change it. I guess he just lied to DGR and anyone who read the page. You know, it is what it is, right? The issue with it is, it's not that it's a bad route. It's in fact quite a good route. I had a good time, or would have had a good time riding it, if I was in some comfy jeans and a leather jacket and, you know, normal clothes. When I'm in a three-piece, it wasn't so much fun. You know, the whole point of DGR is, it's supposed to be city speeds, it's supposed to be inner city, it's supposed to be around 20-25 miles long, and the purpose of the ride is to be a charity event. It's a visual spectacle. You know, you ride through a city and everyone goes, wow, look at all of these bikes and suits. Every time you stop, people are asking you what's going on, what's the purpose of it. And in so doing so, you know, people are filming for the social media, and in so doing so, you raise awareness for the cause. And you can't raise awareness for the cause if you're bombing it across the moors where no one can see you, sort of thing. So, you know, I personally find it quite disrespectful that the guy volunteered to host the ride and then just didn't, you know, completely ignored both the guidelines of the ride and also being told directly by DGR to change it. You know, I find that quite disrespectful, and I hope that he doesn't host again, but we'll see. With all that said, though, it was still a great day. We raised a lot of money for charity. I'll chuck up on screen, if I can find it, how much Plymouth raised, because I don't have it in front of me. I think it was maybe $5,000, somewhere around that sort of ballpark. Like I say, I'll chuck it up at the screen. Yeah, great day, great turnout, and some lovely bikes there. Thank you very much for watching the video. Thank you for donating, if you did, or sharing, or anything that you guys have done along the way here. You know, you guys make the DGR event what it is, and, you know, through the event we have raised an enormous amount of money for a very good cause, and that's just an amazing thing. It really is. So thank you very much for watching, and ride safe.